Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I will be showing that how you can create this beautiful pink soft glam cut crease look for any festive season. Let's get started. So before starting my makeup, I'm cleaning up my face with the wet wipes. Whatever dirt is stuck on my face will be cleansed out. So for toning, I'm using rose water. So today for concealer, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on my eyelids. Using damp sponge to set my concealer. And the look is done, guys. So whosoever wants to try this look can tag me so that I can post this on my Instagram ID. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handles are given in the description box. Thanks for watching.